Ndi kigomano kiria gikuruhanitie ataramu a gucenjia kwa riera kiria kihariirio mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, kuria ataramu matariirie maundu matiganite maria bururi utanyite kugerera kumana na thina wa ucenjia wa riera. Umwe wa maundu maria matanyite kuhanika ni unyihu wa muigana wa thamaki iria itegagwo kuma maria na njui-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini na beno gitanyo guthie thina gikiro kinene.
Well, we have challenges of climate change, that is our oceans are warming up, and as the oceans warm up they change the ecosystem. Some species are getting impacted. When you look at issues of some of the ocean plant species are also being affected heavily.
Kurigana na ataramu aya urugari no thiete na mbere na kuongerereka kumana na ucenjia uyu wa riera, undu uria uracungiriria kuongerereka kwa urugari maria-ini manene, uguo muigana wa thamaki ugithie thi guku na kuo thamaki iria cierica ikioneka o uriku-ini munene wa iria.
And the oceans, with the climate change also, you know, you may be aware about the high tide rise in the ocean, the erosion that is taking place because of the melting of the ice poles that gets into the oceans.
We have already developed the institutional frameworks and strategy for blue economy in Africa, and now we are moving towards implementation.
Onayo thirikari kuhitukira honge cia kuramata utegi wa thamaki ni uritio gwikirira makinya maria magiriire hari gutigirira utegi wa thamaki ni warumbuyo.
The blue economy is projected to hold a lot of potential in terms of raising over $500 billion US dollars by the year 2030.
Mamwe ma maundu mangi maria mamurikitwo kigomano-ini giki ni wongerereku wa ndogo iria thukangagia maria maturigicĩirie iria iragwetwo ta ugwati munene hari kuramata riera itheru. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV ritũrakwo ni Bataru wa Mwangi.